Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain and hope you are liking our live streaming. We have been trading for almost like fourth day today, and every single day people make money. Today I have given a call option of Aditya Birla. I've given a call option of Voltas, Titan, and I think these are the three call options that I have given in the live market. Aditya Birla has given a beautiful breakout. Titan gave a breakout towards the end of the day, and similarly, even the Voltas gave a breakout, but towards the end of the day. But at the same time, I want you to see my Telegram channel. Hope you are following me on the Telegram channel. If not, you can join me. You can join me on the Telegram channel. Have a look at the stockpro_online. This is where you need to join. And right now there are about 3,88,000 members here. In the morning itself, with the first drop, I have given buy on Wipro. Wipro, I said, looks good for a buy above 410. Wipro, if you just have a look at Wipro, Wipro has given a very, very beautiful breakout. It went till about 417. That is what the breakout was given by Wipro. The next stock that I had given was IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank. Look at the massive blast that IndusInd Bank had. We have given a buy at about IndusInd Bank. We have given a buy at 921, and it made a high of 962. Huge movement was given by it. And another stock we gave was AU Bank. And just have a look what AU Bank did. AU Bank Finance, and have a look at AU Bank. It made a high of 600. Our entry was at about 500, I think 582, and it made a high of 600, full 600, right? So that's the kind of move, and hope you all make money. And if you haven't made money and you feel doubtful about the trades, please do join me and trust the trades that I'm giving, because our whole objective is that, like, everybody who's in the stock market who doesn't know about how to filter stock, they should be able to filter. I will filter for them and they should be able to make money. Come with whatever small little money that you want to come with, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, and do your risk management. That's very, very important. So let's go towards today's analysis, and first we will have a look at Nifty. And let me bring you over here on this platform, Nifty, and I'm going to pull out Nifty's cash chart at this point of time, and we'll have a look at what happened Nifty's cash. See, Nifty opened gap up, for sure. Nifty opened gap up. After that, here we are here. This it didn't open gap up or gap down, it just opened flat. After that, Nifty went up. After that, Nifty went up, and it experienced a resistance from where it experienced resistance yesterday, exactly at the same point, which was 16,590 or so. And again it came down, but the stance of Nifty looks very, very strong. And again it broke towards the end and it went up. So what I really want you people to also see, let's see the Nifty futures. I wanted to show you some very important point here, and that is something you should keep in mind always. So again, this is exactly the similar situation, but I will look into Bank Nifty also. What happened in Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty futures. So Bank Nifty futures actually has been range bound for the last 2 days. Bank Nifty futures are almost range bound, but today it opened flat, but it went up straight. It almost gave a flight of about 300 points. Then it got experience where it experienced the resistance yesterday, and from there it came down further. And let's see how it goes tomorrow. So as of now, Bank Nifty is remaining range bound. Now here I'm going to ask you a question. Do you remember a video I have made for you? I said, how do you find out whether market is going to be will be range bound or trending? How do you find out that? If you have not watched that video, please go to my YouTube channel. So this is the video that you will watch, the secret revealed. Bank Nifty will be trending or not, right? This is a video you have to go and watch, and you will be able to understand there could be a possible trend coming up in Bank Nifty. Maybe up, maybe down, I don't know. Looking at the price action, it looks to be promising, it looks to be positive, but crossing this 36,300 is very, very important. Okay, now let me, go and decide about the stocks that I'm finding very interesting for tomorrow. But before that, I would like to show you my positions. I booked good money in AU Bank, 1,95,000. I booked Balram Chini losses. I booked Havels, I booked 1,25,000, and I give all the stocks here as well. AU Bank I gave here, IndusInd Bank I gave here, Havels also I gave here. Have a look at Havels, that was also posted out here. So there is, like you can't say that here. It looks good above 1240. And I made good amount of money in Havels also, 1,25,000. So total profit today was like 2,92,000 and so on and so forth. So it's okay. Like I don't give much importance to profit and the loss. What is most important thing is whether your analysis is correct or not. So let me present you my analysis for tomorrow. So Bank Nifty stands on a very, very strong resistance. Just go to the back, see here, it experienced the resistance on 3rd of June, and then 4th May, then 28th February. Crossing this barrier will actually give a huge momentum to Bank Nifty. Or it may come down tomorrow, or it may cross this barrier and go up. So we'll see market tomorrow, what is happening. But let's talk about the stocks that are looking promising to me. So the first stock that looks good to me is Wipro. Wipro is looking very, very good to me at this point of time. Look at the volumes that have come at the bottom. And Wipro, we have already given a buy at 410. Crossing today's high, which is 417.5, you will find a movement till about 425 for sure. So that's my first stock. And okay, also I would like to talk about which sector looks positive for tomorrow. To me, IT sector looks very, very promising, and all my stocks are from IT sector only. So the next stock that I have on my radar is Infosys. So Infosys has crossed a major barrier today. Like this barrier has been crossed. The closing has been very, very good. And the closing depicts that it may be heading for further movement up. So Infi is my second stock. Then the next stock is LTTS. LTTS, and LTTS, mere fact that it made a small tiny candle in the positive market with a price rejection at the lower level tells me that it may be heading up further. See, one thing that you can see, it is making a head and shoulder pattern in a 1-day time frame. Just have a look at this one shoulder, head, neck, shoulder. This was the barrier which was crossed yesterday. Today, this barrier has been crossed. The closing has been pretty good. So LTTS looks very promising to me for upcoming days. Okay, so that is my third stock. And the other stock is Ultratech Cement. Ultratech Cement. This also looks very good, right? Because it is the closing. See, what matters is how a stock closed. It closed above this important open equal to high candle. So it shows me strength. So Ultratech Cement is also looking good for tomorrow above 6156. So anyway, you do join me for the live trading and make money. Today we made good money in Aditya Birla Capital call that we have given, and even Titan gave some money, even Voltas gave some money, but then they were pretty much range bound towards the end of the day. They all started moving and they gave pretty good profit. So what I'm saying, my stocks once again are Wipro, Infi, LTTS, and Ultratech. These are the 4 stocks I'm going to keep on radar. Definitely Wipro on my radar. And because see, all the other stocks have given huge movement today. If you notice, Tata Com, IndusInd Bank, ABB, Deepak Nitrite, all of them have given massive breakout. So I need to find something which has not given breakout, and all the parameters are telling that they will be probably heading up. So these are the stocks that I have selected for tomorrow. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. But as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, I feel there is a close by resistance. There is a very, very close by resistance. So be careful at that point. Somewhere here is the resistance, which is at 36,300 is going to be a very strong resistance. Closing above that can lead it to another movement of about 400-500 points. So I think that's it for today. Keep learning, keep earning, and make good money along with Stock Pro. For that, you need to join my Telegram channel. For that, you need to join me on Twitter. For that, you need to join the live trading. I will ensure that you get the best of the research. Take care. All the best. See you in the live market tomorrow.